At Jivandhara, your life will be luxurious and comfortable with lot of enjoyment and happiness. Here you will not have to do any cooking, you will not have to do any work. All your meals every day will be cooked in a common kitchen. There will be separate kitchens for vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. With the bulk buying of the grocery, fresh vegetables and fruits, and bulk cooking, your meals will be very economical compared to what you may be getting living alone at your home. You will be partaking a very delicious and healthy food every day in company of your like-minded and same-age friends in the common dining hall. For your physical health, there will be regular group exercises in the common hall, conducted by yoga guru, physiotherapists, tai chi, and dance masters. It is important to keep your brain also healthy and active to avoid the onslaught of degenerating diseases like Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, etc. A regular mind exercises will be conducted in the group by experts in the common hall. You will not have to drive long distances to meet your friend in the inclement weather because your friends are living in the same building. You can meet them whenever you like in the common hall, have a chat with them over a cuppa or a drink, or play indoor games like chess, bridge, carom, whatever you like. For your after dinner entertainment, there will be regular shows in the common hall, which may include screening of a movie or a live sports event on the big screen, a debate, a concert, a seminar for religious and social subjects, medical lectures, etc. For your outdoor entertainment, there will be group outing to the city, casino, museum, zoo, beach, picnic, and so on. All the social and religious festivals related to all the members of the Jivandhara will be celebrated in the common hall. In addition, everybody's birthdays, anniversaries, and the birthdays of the grandchildren will be celebrated in the common hall. In fact, your life will be full of celebration all the year round because there will be some celebration going on in the common hall every weekend. Add to this a bit of luxury. Your apartment will be cleaned, including toilet and bathroom, every week. Your bed linen will be washed and ironed regularly. Your clothes will be washed and ironed every week. And all this will be done at a very economical bulk rate negotiated with the contractor. You will get discounted rates for gas, electricity and water of your private consumption plus your mobile. There will be Wi-Fi in the building included in your cost. All these will be managed by the committee of the Cooperative Society of the members of Jivandhara, of which you also will be a member. You will be contributed only your portion of the actual cost. There will not be any outside agency interfering it or taking any profit out of it. You have worked very hard all your life and save money for a happy and healthy retirement. Do not waste it living uneconomical, unhealthy lifestyle separately in a unit somewhere on your own. Come to Jivandhara, you will get the value for your money and more enjoyment in company of your friends. For more information, refer to jivandhara.com.au.